Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you how you can create dramatic lighting within Adobe Photoshop just with a simple couple of steps, and you'll be able to really create something really dramatic and really visually impactful. As you can see, you have this image of this lady holding a lighter, but what I want to try and do is make the light coming from the lighter and from the flame a lot more dramatic. So what I would suggest you to use is I would suggest you to use the polygonal lasso tool and in a sense make the shape that the light will be. So if I come and click here and then sort of like click here, like so, create a nice selection like so. And now what I'd like to do is apply an adjustment layer. And the benefit of applying adjustment layers will only affect what's inside of that selection that I've created. The adjustment layer that I'd like to be using is our brightness and contrast adjustment layer. What happens is you get your properties window up here. And what I'm going to do now is just increase the brightness here like so. And as you can see, the brightness is really sort of improved there. But it's quite sharp on the edges here, which it doesn't look really realistic. What I would suggest you to do is make sure that you go into the mask options here and you have the option of increasing the feathering. Feathering is Photoshop's term for soft edges. So the higher the feather radius, the softer and the wider the edges will become. There you go, as you can see there. A lot more softer. If I turn it off, turn it back on, you can see a major difference in the lighting there and a lot more dramatic. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, guys, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much. Take care, and I'll see you next time.